Alright, I have a good news for you. Red Team Leaders is providing all this 5 certification exam for 99% free. That is, you just got to pay a small amount. It's not 100% free, it's 99% free. Let me show you. Let's say I want certified malware analysis beginners. I'll open this in a new tab to show you. And this is a limited time offer. If you wait for 100% opportunity, you might not get it. It's 99% free. I'll click buy exam. And please follow this step by step, otherwise you'll miss what I'm doing. So here I got the ad promotion code. Please note the amount. It's around $20, 19.99. I'll add my promotion code here, and if we look here, it got reduced to just $0.20, not even $1. It's, I'll say, almost free. If you look, 99% off, right? And this is a limited time offer. Please do not wait, because let's say I want to register for certified reverse engineering for beginners now. The process is same. This opens in a new tab. I'll click buy the exam, and we got to add the promotion code. I'll add the promotion code again here and apply. And here we go. It's $0.25. It's a very little investment to learn something about cybersecurity. If you are trying to learn anything, I'll just say go for it, because all these 5 exams are currently 100% free. Even less than $1, maybe you can get all the 5 if we apply the code, because this will expire in shortly, the code. If you get all this in the cart, I believe you'll be learning tons of things in cybersecurity, which Red Team Leaders provide. I'll show you for the last one, and here we go. And as we can see, all are 99% free. You just got to give 1%, and which is a very small amount. So please do share this video with your friends and colleagues who are enthusiastic about cybersecurity, so that it can help them and seize the opportunity. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please check out my other courses on Udemy by searching Cloud Guru Amit, where I have tons of courses related to cloud computing, that is Azure, Google Cloud, AWS, cybersecurity, management courses, and many more. And also please consider connecting with me on LinkedIn @ Cloud Guru Amit, or Instagram @ Amit Physique, where if you need any kind of personal assistance, I'll be glad to help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please do consider sharing this video with your colleagues or friends, so that they can also utilize the training program provided by NVIDIA.